In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tagline on Gumloop. A great tagline helps people instantly understand who you are and what you offer. It's a short, memorable phrase that appears on your creator profile and sets the tone for your brand. In the next couple of minutes, I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting in Gumloop and how to add a clear, professional tagline without any confusion. First, open the Gumloop website in your browser. Once the page loads, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the main navigation panel there. In that sidebar, find and click on Settings. This is where you control the details that shape how your profile looks and feels. Inside Settings, choose Creator Profile. This section holds the fields that define your public-facing information. When the Creator Profile page opens, take a moment to scan the options. You're looking specifically for the field labeled Tagline. Depending on your screen size, you might need to scroll slightly, but it should be clearly visible in the profile details. Click directly into the tagline field and type in the short phrase you want to represent your brand. A solid example would be something like automation made simple. Keep it concise and specific, ideally just a few words that highlight your core value. Aim for clarity over cleverness. Think about what someone new to your work needs to grasp in a second or two. Title case can help readability, and avoiding extra punctuation will keep it clean. When you're happy with what you've written, click anywhere outside the field. This triggers Gumloop's autosave. Give it a brief moment, you may notice a subtle saved indicator, or simply see the field remain populated with your text. That's your confirmation that the change has been applied. If you paused to think and came back, no problem. Just make sure you clicked out of the field so the update registers. Your tagline is now created and associated with your creator profile. From here on, it will appear wherever Gumloop surfaces that profile information, helping visitors quickly understand your focus. If you ever want to refine it, return to the same creator profile area, adjust the wording, and click outside the field again to save. That's all it takes. You went to Gumloop, opened Settings from the left-hand menu, selected Creator Profile, found the tagline field, typed your phrase, and clicked anywhere to finalize it. With that done, your profile now communicates your message in a simple, polished way. Thanks for watching, and enjoy presenting a sharper, clearer brand on Gumloop.